This is Cooking with Becca, Mallory, Nikki. We're going to make sugar cookies today. So let's start. Take it away?
Sure.
They are ready to bake bunny spring cookies. There's the little guy with the nose. Notice how small they are? Before picture. Before. We're just going to spread them out on the pan. I'll get a shot of it. That's us. Sometimes you cheat and take a little niblet of it and eat it. Yes. Can we fit them all on one tray? Yes, we may. Okay. Because, you know, if we don't have room for one, that might be okay. And you just pop them in.
Hi, Grandma.
Let's go bring it to the oven. No, it's not. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, well, well, we have to wait till the oven's preheated.
So if you get a close-up of them, funny.
Yeah. Okay, this is ladies. We're gonna eat some. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Delicious. Now I'm parched. That one should go up any minute now. Anyone know any good jokes? Oh, I have one. Okay. So a plane was crashed on the border of Illinois and Indiana. Where do you bury the survivors? Where do you bury the survivors? There are no survivors, so you can't bury them. Nikki, you've never heard that one before?
No, I'm sorry.
It's from Britain.
Oh, I think we should quiz our audience.
We want to make a shout out to Brittany right now, saying you are indeed weird. What do you think of these people?
Oh, not a good answer.
They're not really in focus, but as you can clearly see, they're butt ugly.